Hello everyone, today we're going to do a package of CCNA3 version 7, 12.6.2. Package is a troubleshooting challenge. Use documentation to solve issues. Here the documentation is recorded in the last package activity. Here's the documentation. All right. So in this activity, you will use the documentation that you created in the package troubleshooting challenge. Document the network activity to guide network troubleshoot efforts. This is the today's package activity. And the password for all devices, VTY Cisco enable secret class. All hosts should be able to ping each other, and the internet server, here's all hosts, and the internet server is here. Determine if this requirement is met. If not, identify which hosts and networks should be further investigated. From the hosts which have communicated problems, use ICMP tools to determine where in the network these problems may be located. From the host PCs, access devices in the network and the display configurations and operational status. All locations, after locating the issues, reconfigure the devices used to repair the connectivity problem. Use your documentation from the previous activity to help you document the issues. All right, so here's the device. Device is where the issue is located. Issue is problems. Actions is which action we need to take to solve the issues. All right, so I'm going to use window split as usual. Okay, we are going to use the information from this documentation. Okay, and record this issue. So let's ping from PC1 to PC2. PC2 IP address is here, 3.50. So these private addresses are the first two numbers are the same, 192.168. The difference is the last two numbers are different. So 192.168. PC2 is 3.50. Let's see the ping. Yeah, success. No problem. So pin PC3 is 4.115. All right, looks network. Right. Okay, so let's it's fail. So let's record to here. All right. And the pin PC4 is 5.83. PC4 is success. Okay, the pin PC5 is 5.227. Five. 5. So fail. Okay, fail. All right. Let's record here the problem. Okay. Then PC6 is 2.48. All right, so fail. Okay, it's pin PC7. PC7 is 2.67. To the 67. Looks fail as well. Yeah, fail. It's a record to here. All right, so last we pin server. Server is here, 203. 203.0.113.27. Let's pin internet server. It's on internet. Okay. So fail as well. All right. So here's a problem. So let's, and also we're going to use the topology we created in the last packet tracer here, right? As a reference. PC1 to PC3. Okay, let's use the tree cert to see where the issue is located. Tree cert. Tree cert. Okay, here. Tree cert PC3 is 4.192.168, 4.115. Then we look at this topology. The two hops. One hop is a one router. So go through two hops. So two routers from PC1 to PC3, go to first hop is branch 1. Second hop is hub router or hub router. Okay. So here, let's stop here. All right, so let's telnet to the second router is hub to see what's the problem. Telnet, it's access 192.168.0.1. Cisco enable class. All right. So show IP interface brief. All right. So there are totally 5 interfaces are used. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, up. All right. So no problem here. Let's go to show run to see each interface configuration. Okay. Branch 1 is to PC1. Okay, let's see here. Branch 1, branch 2, HQ. Yeah, all these interfaces has IP NAT inside. So because these routers are like a translate the private IP address to public address. So, but here branch 1, the interface doesn't have the IP NAT inside. So that's why PC1 cannot ping internet server. All right, so let's fix it. So configure terminal interface. Interface S010, S010. IP NAT inside. Okay, so let's exit. All right, exit to ping server. Ping 203.0.113.27. That is server's IP address. Success. Good. Good. So here, PC's ping server success. So our problem solved, this one. All right, so the problem is on the hub. All right, problem is on the hub router. Okay, and S010 need IPNAT inside. So action, we take action is add IPNAT. Why is it like that? So add IPNAT inside on S010 interface. Okay, we solve this problem, but we still need to find the PC3's problem. Okay, so we go to telnet to hub. Okay, Cisco enable class. So there's no other problem. I don't see any other problem here. All right, so let's look at topology. So go here, should go to factory. Factory, let's telnet to factory. From hub to telnet. Telnet factory is this 192.168.0.14. Okay, that is IP address of factory 192.168.0.14. Cisco factory, yes. Class. All right, let's show IP interface Brave. I always start from here. Yeah, there are 3 interfaces are in use, these 3 interfaces, but this interface G001 is administratively down. Okay, show run. We can find G001. Okay, here, G01 shut down. All right, so this is another problem. Factory and factory G001 and OSPF. Okay, networks. How many networks? Factory has 3 networks connected, but here's only 2. Once the 3.0 is here, 0.12 is this link. But this network missing. So we find 2 problems. One is G001 interface is down. Another is OSPF network missing this network. Okay, let's fix it. Configure terminal interface G001. We need to activate it, so no shutdown. All right. Another is router. Okay, router OSPF 10. Network, add a network. Network. The network is here, this one, 4.0. So 192.168.4.0/24. We need here needed wildcard mask. /24's wildcard mask is 0.0.255 and area 0. Okay. Okay, let's go back to, there's no other problem now, right? No other problem. I don't see. Shut down all. All right. So let's go back to PC1 to pin PC3. PC3's PC3 is 4.115. 4.115. Let's ping this time. Okay, success. Good. So this problem we solved. This problem we solved. All right, so the problem is we find it 2 is on the factory router. Factory router. One is G001 interface is down. Okay. Activate G001 interface. Okay. No shutdown. Another is what? Is one OSPF network 192.168.4.0 missing. What we need to do is add. Why this happen again? All right. Okay. So add network 192.168.4.0 0.255 area 0. We solve this problem. Okay, next time we need to PC1 to PC5. PC1 to PC5. Let's look at topology. PC1 to PC5. PC5 is here. Okay, now it looks like this side, this network is no problem now. Let's try to PC5. From PC5 to access. So from PC5 to ping default gateway. Let's go to IP config. IP config to PC5's IP address is here. Default, oh, no default gateway here. All right, no default gateway. So what's PC5's default gateway is 5.129. All right, so let's add to, yeah, here's a 0.0.0. So it's 192.168.5.129 is here. 20. All right, so go here. Let's go try again. Okay, come out. this default gateway come out. PC5. Yeah. All right, so let's ping PC1 to PC5. PC5 ping PC5 is 192.168.5. 227. Success. Good. And let's ping internet. From PC5, ping internet is 203.0.113.27. That is the internet server's IP address. Success. Right. Okay, good. So we solved the problem. Solve the problem. So 5 is done. All right. The problem is 5 on PC5. Problem on PC5 is PC5 has no default gateway IP address. Doesn't have default gateway. All right. Add default gateway 192.168.5.29 on PC5. All right, so we added this. And 6 and 7, let's look at topology. 6 and 7, in this network, they connected to branch 2 router. Okay, let's go from PC6. Okay, PC6. Let's ping PC6. PC6 to IP config. All right, this is the default gateway. Let's access to here to see if we can ping. Success. Okay, so let's telnet. Cisco enable class. All right, social IP interface brief. Okay, four interfaces are in use. Okay, 3 sub interfaces, no problem. The show run to see interface. Okay, here's the .1 IP address, .32.36 IP address. Okay, is correct. 20, 32, 30, 33. S010 is here. 17. Oh, here is problem. This is 17, but here's the .6. All right, so let's check. All right, so configure terminal IP address. So 192.168.0.6 or subnet mask is /30 is 255.255.255.252. IP, oh no, sorry. Interface, okay, S010 IP address 192.168.0.6 255.255.255.252. All right. It's okay, so let's ping internet. Let's ping internet. It's 203.0.113.27. Success. Good. All right. And the PC1 ping PC 6. Pin PC6. Let me see. PC6 is 2.48. 2.48. Success. Good, good, good. All right. So, and we add another one. That is on the router branch. Branch to router. Okay, the problem is incorrect IP address on S010. Let's correct it. This problem happened again. All right, let's fix it. Correct. IP address is 192.168.0.6 255.255.255.252. All right, so let's look at topology again. Here, this is the problem is here. So that's why PC7 probably is the same problem as PC6. Let's try PC7, I think, because this interface can influence both PC6 and PC7. Let's pin PC7 to see if it's 2.67. Pin 192.2.67. One, yeah, success. Good, 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 good. And let's pin internet. This pin internet is success. It's from PC7 pin internet. Internet is 203.0.113.27. Success. All right, so PC2 pin internet. Okay, 203.0.113.27. Success. PC4 pin internet. 203.0.113.27. Success. All are success. Good, good. And so this problem, PC, so these two problems we solved. Yeah. Hey, hold on. All right, so here, okay. All right, so we solve all the problems. And we figure out the problem location and what the problem is, and we take action already. So now I remove the split so you can see here's our problem and here's our solution. All right, thank you for watching my video. Because let's look at here. Yeah, completion is 100%. Completion is 100%. All right, so we perfectly finished this package. So use documentation to solve issues. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel and share with your friends. See you next time.